Back to school season na, and I'm pretty sure ang dami sa inyo naghahanap ng bagong laptop, bagong tablet para sa inyong online needs. Probably hindi lang naman siya pang online schooling, but pwede naman siya pang online conferencing, and even pang entertainment purpose as well. Now, habang sabihin ko sa inyo, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo na Honor na tablet that is priced at around 11,000 pesos na may free smart keyboard pa. Ikaw, Marites, I'm pretty sure na intriga ka na. Malalaman mo ang presyo right after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Ito bagong Honor na Pad X9 na may 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, which comes together with a free na smart keyboard, is priced at 11,999. Link on the description. Bago natin pag-usapan to, of course, unbox muna natin. So okay, we're going to unbox the Honor Pad X9 and it comes together with the Google app and the Google Chrome. In short, meron siyang Google Play. So meron ko dito is a 420 gigs of storage and ang color natin is space gray. Here are some quick specs na kailangan natin malaman and supported din siya ng high-res audio. Buksan natin. Wow, it's really nice. And like I said guys, this one is being priced at 11,999. And to be honest with you, kasama pa siya ng Magic na keyboard, which makes it a little bit more special. Dahil si Redmi Pad, yung unang labas niya ng 428, nagpe-presyo na siya ng 13,999. Grabe yung si Honor, no? Bagsak presyo talaga. So itong itsura na sa likod, which is pretty nice. Matte finish siya sa likod. And yung camera module niya, hindi mukhang chipipay. Buksan muna natin other things inside the box. We have a charging cable and a user guide. And meron din siyang 10 watts na charging brick. So sa ilalim meron siyang dalawang loudspeaker and of course meron siyang Type-C port. On the side, there's 2 more loudspeaker. Isa dito and isa dito. And on top, meron pa siyang dalawang speaker. So making it 6 speaker all in all. Meron siyang microphone dito sa gilid plus power button and volume rocker. Sa likod ng kanyang camera module. And nandito ka ng front-facing camera. Now, ang battery size nito is a whopping 7,250 mAh and durable naman siya. Ginamit ko naman to for the past 1 week. And honestly speaking, ang kanyang battery is makuna. Kaya naman na magtagal ng 1.5 days without charging as long as hindi ka naglalaro ng heavy games and wala kang ginagamit ng heavy applications. Now, ang tablet na ito is being powered by a beef-up na Snapdragon 680, which is the Snapdragon 685 dito sa loob ng tablet na ito. And it's nothing really new, itong chipset na ito, which alam naman natin kanyang limitation. It's just more of a overclock variant ng 680. Halos, ang score niya is somewhere near mga score na nakikita natin sa 680. And if you further break it down, this is what you'll be seeing. So nilagay naman natin sa stress test tong tablet na ito. Nakakuha naman siya ng 96.8 na stability, which is quite good. Pero yung nga lang, hindi naman talaga siya for gaming purpose. Now, if you check yung score niya dito sa Geekbench, ito nakuha na sa CPU test. And ito naman nakuha niya sa GPU test. And itong tablet na to comes together with the Android version 13 under Magic OS 7.1. And ang kanyang processor, nakita naman natin and sinabi ko na sa inyo. And of course, ang kanyang RAM is a 4+3. Ang kanyang storage is 128, which is quite ample enough for me. Probably the only thing na bitin dito is wala siyang expansion slot. And yung kanyang quad speaker is probably the highlight dito sa kanyang tablet, which for me, ang lakas ng kanyang sounds. I was quite blown away dahil sa kanyang price point, then meron siyang sounds na ganun kalakas. Check this out. That's one night after night, I'll be loving you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And honestly, you'll be surprised sa kanyang sound. Sobrang lakas. Inagulat din ako doon. So, nung sinagad ko sa 100%, grabe ang lakas. Ganun pa na ang feeling pag 6 speakers ang meron ng iyong tablet. Good job on that, Honor. Now, watching all my favorite shows dito sa tablet na ito, sobrang enjoy. Quite bright and okay na okay. Probably the only winning thing dito sa akin is ang kanyang symmetrical bezel, which pa-feel mo parang nanonood ka lang sa mga TV. Now, tinry ko naman tingnan mga colors na dito, kung punchy naman ang kanyang. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang punchy tulad ng na-experience natin sa mga AMOLED display, but quite good enough na siya. And swiping left and right is definitely smooth thanks to its 120Hz screen refresh rate. Now, pwede natin i-turn sa dark mode kung gusto natin. And it's very easy. Isang pindot lang, dark mode na siya. You can screen refresh rate. Pwede mo ilaro between dynamic, high, and standard. Yung nga lang, dalawa lang choice mo, 60 or 120. Wala siyang 90 in between. Now, tinan naman natin maglaro ng Call of Duty Mobile dito. Okay naman, it's much playable naman. I would say na you would like to buy yourself a game controller para medyo mas ma-experience mo na mabuti playing on this one. There are some people na marunong mag 6 fingers paglaro sa Call of Duty Mobile, which is much more enjoyable daw. But I find it hard to play it using 6 fingers. But yung mga expert daw, sabi mas maganda na maglaro ng Call of Duty Mobile sa tablet and using 6 fingers. Well, that's for you to explore on. You can pretty much do everything dito sa tablet na ito. You want to use it for Word documents, for Excel, for PowerPoint. Browsing on this one is definitely okay. Checking your socials is definitely a breeze. Now, watching some of the reels dito sa TikTok, I would say na sobrang bilis naman niya. In just a flip of a finger, nag-switch na siya, and it's very easy and very nice to use. Sobrang ganda na experience dito. Now, let's check its camera performance. Parang siyang dalawang 5MP sa harap and sa likod. It can both shoot up to 1080p and 30 FPS. Now, silipin naman natin some camera shots from this tablet. Honestly, it's nothing really fancy. Madalang ko ilabas ng tablet outdoors to take some camera shots, but this one are okay. Some are a little bit blurred, and there are times na medyo naka-out of focus siya. But medyo mas stand out sa akin ang kanyang front-facing camera. Mas okay siya. Probably dahil you need to dedicate this for mga Zoom meetings. But nung nag-indoor shooting ako using the rear camera, it was able to snap in some nice and decent one as well. Now, overall, itong tablet na ito for me is okay naman siya, mabilis naman siya bitbitin, and not heavy. And one of the greatest things dito is mabilis ilagay sa loob ng bag, and I love the way it feels. And hindi mabilis kapitan ng mga fingerprints dahil matte finish ang kanyang likod. Now, definitely, this is a must-have if you're going back to school or you're doing some online business, online conferencing. Panalong-panalo to for its budget price point. Lalo when it comes together with a free na Honor na smart keyboard, which definitely pampatamis ng deal na ito at 11,999. I'm not quite sure kung promo lang siya or forever meron, but grab it while you can kung meron na siyang free na keyboard. So all you need to do is just simply connect it sa Bluetooth, and in a bit, nakakonect ka na. Ganun kasimple lang mag-connect dito sa Honor smart keyboard ni Honor. So, this would enable you to increase your productivity, plus naka-cover ang iyong tablet, like ganito, no? Tatakbo pa siya. So, it prevents your tablet to be scratched kahit wala kang screen protector. It's okay, lagi ka naman nakatakip. And of course, your camera module is also protected kasi nakalubog naman yung camera. And of course, yung sides mo are protected by bumpers. Definitely, it's for me, it's more of a must-have for this Honor na Pad X9. So this one is a on-off switch, and of course ang kanyang charging port. And on the other side, you'll see mga bumpers talaga naka-support, no, para wala kang maging problema. And of course, pag open mo, i-dito mo lang siya just like that for you to be able to actually magnet-based siya, no? So wala kang problema, hindi siya mabilis matanggal, no? And looking at yung keyboard niya, nung tinatype ko siya, no, it feels soft naman and mabilis naman siya mag-type dito. You just need to get a little used to it kasi of course every keyboard has its own placement. So medyo kailangan mo lang sanayin talaga. Once nasanay ka, okay na siya. And if you want to pair a mouse, pwede ka rin mag-pair ng mouse dito para, well, para medyo maging mini laptop na ang datingan nito. Perfect for online schooling or online conferencing if you're doing yung mga Word document mo dito, typing. So, it's very easy. Like mag-type ka lang naman sa notepad, just simply try to enter yung mga notes natin, no? So, let's just see Gadget, Sidekick. Okay, so ganun kabilis lang naman mag-type. And space, Honor, Pad X9. So, yeah, ganun kasimple lang. It's very easy to use, very portable. Walang hassle, no? All you need is just flip it. Ganun lang, and you're good to go. Pretty easy. So guys, if you like to know kung saan pwede mabili itong tablet na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit your bell icon para hindi naman miss ang future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.